So anyway, I bought these chlorine tablets at Amazon. I think I paid 85 bucks. I got 80 pounds. Or no, I got 80 tablets there, and there's 40-pound size, I guess. Look down here. So that means 3 tablets a week. So you divide 3 into 80, it goes 2, and then 20, it goes 6. So you get 26 weeks of chlorine for about 80 bucks. All right. So what I do is I put 3 in here, and I have this open all the way. And then you just got to put the top on, and Bob's your uncle. When I do this, I put this mask on because I don't like breathing the chlorine, because the tablets create a powder, and that powder can get in your eyes, and you can breathe it. You don't need that, and you don't want to get it on your skin. So I use this glove. You know what I mean? I use a glove. So yeah. So anyway, we just have to twist this to get it off right there. So you see it's got a little thing in there, one there. So when you put it on, you got to go this way. When you take it off, you're going to go this way. So let's take that off for now. Let's get our glove on. It's hard to do it when I'm filming with one hand, trying to glove up with the other. Oh, I didn't get my fingers in the right holes. Okay. All right, so here we are. So let's go ahead. First of all, before I lift this up, I want to get a good breath, so I'm not breathing that shit. Okay, I'm ready. All right, let's get 2, and I'm going to get 1 more, 3. Then I'm going to shut this lid. Good. Now I'm going to take off my glove, grab this, and here we go. See, I've got it completely open. Look, this twists, right? But I keep it all the way open so that I get the full amount of it. See? You can close it up a little like that or open it. I keep it completely open. All right, let's do this. What sucked is when I came back from my vacation, I had given this guy explicit instructions to make sure he puts 3 tablets in here, and this was completely empty. So I had chlorine I had algae in the pool, and I had to completely clean the pool out, the filter, everything. It's a pain in the ass. But now we're ready to go. Now we got chlorine. All right.